Mafia.
My princess.
So it's true. It's true you're pregnant. Who is responsible?
She the princess?
Mafia, I'm talking to you. Who is responsible? Come here.
Stay here.
Mafia, come here.
I said stay here. Now listen, you can talk to her right here.
Who are you?
And who the hell are you?
I'm the princess of the Lubo kingdom.
So, I should get my head cut off? Let's continue. Mafia, move. Move! Ah,
Mafia,
I said move.
if you dare move an inch.
Princess or whoever you are, your rules, instructions and orders ends at your father's palace. Most precisely, your kingdom. This is a city. And for your information, this is shopping mall.
Stop! Watch the serpent in your mouth. Else the god strikes you dead.
So you still live in the past. Gods strike me dead for talking to you. You really amuse me. Maybe I'll listen.
Mafia. You, come here.
Come.
Yes, you, come here.
Are you getting crazy? Are you getting mad? Or are you losing it? You sure must be crazy. Foolish fool.
When the drum of death beats, only its next victim dances to its rhythm. You dare disrespect my royalty? I decree by the gods that you...
Please forgive us.
Mafia. So it's true you've eaten from my royal food.
Nonsense. Mafia, get up, get up! Get up. Now move. Place that curse on your generations. Your father's kingdom. Bullshit.
Ashley, what other assurance do you need? What other assurance do you want? There is nothing between the princess and I.
I don't think she shares the same thought. She's still holding on to it. And then, of course, she enjoys her mother's unflinching support.
It is not my mother's position to make that choice for me. It is mine and mine exclusively.
Okay. Come to terms with your mother and family. Then we can talk about marriage and raising kids. As for this one, I want it out. I don't care how hard it takes you. End of story.
Now, this is a warning. Stay away from Kay.
Life is a bittersweet one. The taste of it feels like hellbound, and a leak is a
How did it go? I hope there's no trace. Good.
burning open. Who can be my awful pain? Who can stand my piercing stings? Oh, life, oh, life, oh, life. Having no one to call, having no one to fight for you. Oh, I'm so all alone in this world.
What happened here?
I'm so
What do you want? What do you want from me? How can I go through this because of you? How can I?
What did I do?
It's all because of you. Let me be. Let me be. I've suffered enough of humiliation. Let me have a peace of mind. I don't love you anymore. I hate you. Go to your world, Kay. Go to your world of princes and princes. And let me remain in mine. Get out of here! Go! 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 Someone get him out of here! Go! Let him be!
The master came into my life, took away my my dignity, my womanhood from me. And now I'm left all alone, suffer in this lonely world. Life is a bittersweet one. The taste of it feels like hellbound, and a leak is hotter than a burning oven. Who can be my awful pains? Who can stand my piercing stings? Oh, life, oh, life, oh, life is a bittersweet one. It pains to be an orphan, raging around hungry.
Agnes, how are you?
I'm fine. Uncle, why? Why have you abandoned me? It's been 3 weeks since my parents were laid to rest. And you all vanished into thin air without minding how I am faring.
Well, that is not important for now, Agnes. Do you have some friends with whom you could lodge for now?
Why? I'm comfortable here.
Hey, Agnes! Comfortable where? Listen, we have been mandated by the family to repossess this house today. You hear me? Comfortable here.
What are you talking about? that you've been sent by the family to take my father's property? And where shall I go to?
Oh, you just go back to where you were picked from. You are not our blood. We don't know you.
Neither are you my blood. What? Just 3 weeks since my parents died, and you call yourselves family members to take my father's property?
Well, that is the truth, Agnes. You are an orphan. You see, you were adopted from one of the orphanages around, so you are not our blood. And I can't sit down to see you inherit my brother's property. What do you mean?
Liars.
A woman?
Liars. Liars! You're all liars. Nobody has the right to take my father's property. No wonder my father never liked you.
It's a bittersweet one. The taste of it feels like hellbound, and a leak is hotter than a burning oven.
No, madam, it's you again. This is the third time you are coming here, and I've told you time without number that I don't know of any nanny that used to live here. And besides, if I know her, why wouldn't I let you know?
What about your parents? Can I see them and talk to them?
I called them and they said they don't know of any nanny. This place was a swamp when they bought it. Thank you. You're welcome.
Good morning.
Thank God you at least know that it is morning. Where have you been?
I'm sorry, I didn't know I'd be coming this late.
That has still not answered my question. The question is, where have you been and why has your phone been off?
I've just told you I'm sorry. What else do you want me to do? Why are you pestering me?
Oh.
Why?
A wife goes out for almost 24 hours. The husband doesn't know where she's gone to. And you call my questioning pestering? Agnes, don't push me too far.
And what would you do? Hit me? Come on, go ahead and do it. Coffee? Hit me! Come on, go ahead!
What has eaten you up? You are no longer the Agnes I used to know. That cheerful part of you is all gone. Agnes, don't force me to think twice.
And what would you do? Pack my things and throw out? Come on, do it! Pack my things and throw out!
Oh, shut up!
Shut up! After all, your mistress is pregnant for you. What else is left for me? Nothing. Do whatever you want to do. I'm just tired of this world.
No use. There is something wrong with you. And I think you need a psychiatrist.
Thank you.
Agnes, there is certainly something wrong with you. Something more than your inability to give me a child. Talk to me, Agnes. It has been said that the identification of a problem is part of its solution. But if you don't tell me your problem, there is no way I can help you solve them. Agnes, talk to me. I am your husband.
How are you doing?
Hi, Kay.
Hi. Ashley, how are you?
Fine. Thank you. It's so unfortunate that you can be patronizing to vanishing treasures.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Just go. Go and embrace your treasures and riches as royal people. And let me have peace in my world.
What does that mean?
Just please excuse me. You were in the prince's house yesterday. True or false?
True. Who told you that?
Just go. Go. I've shed enough blood and pain on this relationship. And it has to end here and now.
Ashley. Where is the bond? The bond that has kept you and I together up to now. Where is that bond between us?
I don't care and I don't want to know. Just stay away from me. And please tell the doctor that I don't want this pregnancy. And if you don't mind, leave. Leave my presence.
Well, I do mind. Ashley.
I'm just regretting this. I've been humiliated. I've been challenged. I've been pushed to the wall. And I'm now tempted to fight. Fight back.
It's okay. It's okay.
It will never be okay until you leave. Now leave.
Hurry up!
Hello, Uncle.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
And your mom?
She's alright, everybody's okay.
I hope there is no problem.
On the contrary, there is a little problem. My fiancée was shot.
Princess?
No, not Princess. She was brought in here a few days ago, and the nurse told me that you were on leave.
Yeah, I resumed this morning. So, where is she?
She's in a ward.
Let me see her.
Okay.
What?
What, Uncle? Do you know her?
What's your name?
Ashley Johnson.
Do you have a sister about your age and look who is pregnant?
No. But I have younger siblings. But they're all in Canada. I'm the daughter of Bernard Johnson of St. Paul's Hospital. Why the question, sir?
Oh, mere resemblance, I suppose. But how are you doing?
No, Uncle. You know somebody who looks like her?
Yeah, she looks very much like one of my patients. Could pass for her twin sister.
Is she here in this clinic?
Yeah, in the emergency ward.
Uncle, please. Take me to her. Can I see her?
You can't see her now.
It's important to me. I need to verify something. It's really important to me.
Well, young lady, you will be fine, okay?
Mayfair. Mayfair.
My prince. I'm dying.
No, Mayfair. You will not die. You will live. I've been everywhere looking for you. Everywhere. Even your village. Mayfair. I've been living a very empty life without your love. And I'm sorry. Sorry for putting you through all of this. I'm sorry. You pregnant?
It's for you. It's your baby. It's your baby.
Oh. Uncle.
Look, I don't know what is happening here, but I think you will have to excuse her now. Come with me to my office.
Mayfair. I'll be back. Okay.
What is it?
It's Mayfair. The girl I told you about.
And what about her?
Come have a look.
Please help me.
Life is cry, hellbound. And a leak is hotter than a burning oven.
I'm Ashley Johnson.
My name is Mayfair.
Mayfair, where are you from?
I'm from Elubu Kingdom. Where I grew up with my nanny, who told me the story of my life. How I was 8 months under her care 10 years ago. Abandoned by a 16-year-old girl who disappeared into thin air. I do not know my biological parents, nor where they are from. I'm just an orphan.
It pains to be an orphan, raging around hungry, a poor maid. It pains to leave under the bridges in the streets, having no one to call mother, having no one to fight for you. Oh, I'm so all alone in this world. What a life is this? I'm so empty, Lord. Why me? Please see my cry and clean them away, Lord. Life, oh life, life is a bittersweet
Honey, for how long will your tears last?
What else do you expect from a childless woman? To be happy all the time? Or to be in tears?
No. Come on. Wipe your tears and come and give your husband a welcome hug. Come on, I'm waiting. Come on, come on. Come on. I love you. I'll continue loving you. I'll cherish you for as long as I live. Now, come on. Let me tell you about a mystery that unfolded itself at the hospital today. Now, I will say this world is a crazy place. You know that while some people are on their knees, day in, day out, praying to God, begging Him to give them children, others are busy abusing them. Would you believe me if I tell you that Kay is responsible for Mayfia's pregnancy?
Our own Kay?
Yeah.
Queen Lydia's son? The prince?
Which other Kay do we know?
It's a lie. Look, I know how responsible Kay is. And I don't think he will stoop so low to abuse his royalty for such a non-entity.
Annie, sometimes you amaze me. Kay was in my office today. His fiancée was shot.
Princess Tyra?
No, not the princess. But a girl called Ashley. And if you see this girl, there is no spot difference between her and Mayfia. They are like photocopies from head to toe. And when they told me their stories, I felt like weeping. Do you know that Mayfia was abandoned by her 16-year-old mother at age about 8 months in the care of a nanny 20 years ago in Soweto hometown? And as for the Ashley girl, she was also abandoned about the same time, but this time at St. Michael's Hospital in the same Soweto hometown.
Oh!
No. Agnes. What is wrong with my wife?
Please calm down.
Calm down for what? My wife is dying and you say I should calm down? Now let me have her medical records. She's in a coma as we speak.
Oh my God.
My wife has leukemia.
Unheard of. So what are you going to do now?
I don't even know. I am so confused.
How are you going to explain this to Mom and Tyra? I just can't believe what happened.
I don't think they can do anything more than they've already done. Besides, they are the least of my problem right now.
Oh, Mom is here.
children. My children. Kay. Kay? What's the matter?
I found Mayfair.
Mayfair? And who on earth is she?
Mayfair, the maid. The maid from Nana Prempeh's palace.
But I thought I told her explicitly to stay away from you.
Mother, the lady you saw is not Mayfair. I saw Mayfair today, and she's pregnant.
What?
Ashley as well. Pregnant for me.
Ashley and Mayfair have both been impregnated by you? You've been pretty busy, my son, haven't you? Or you're going crazy?
No, mother. I'm not sick.
Then what is it?
You are the beginning of all of this problem.
Me?
Yes, Mom. Mother, please. Don't let me be rude to you. Excuse me.
Do you know anything about this?
No.
Can I sit? Mayfair, I know I owe you lots of explanations and apologies. I never thought.
I'm very happy. Everything that happened between us is a step of faith. I'm happy to have met my sister.
As an orphan, I was thrown out of the house when my foster parents died. I suffered rejection and humiliation. At 16, I was roaming on the streets of Accra, having no one to cry to. I begged to be fed until one rainy night I was raped by thugs. There I lost my pride, my virginity. I became pregnant. I did everything possible to abort the pregnancy. But all was to no avail.
them. I couldn't survive with them when one became very sick. And in my homeless and jobless condition, I left her at the hospital. And when I need to carry on with my life, I left the other one with a nanny. I'm sorry. Now that I've seen both of you, I can die a happy woman. I love you. I love you both. I love you too, darling. Please take good care of them. Let them be at peace. I love them. And I love you too. Please help me take this machine off me. You can't imagine the kind of pain I'm going through now. Please, help me.
Sweetheart, you know I cannot do any such thing. I cannot.
Please.
No! First of all, I'd like to say that I appreciate the fact that you honored my invitation. Joyce, thank you very much for all that you've done for Appiah. Ever since she moved into the city, through the time that she had to come back and live with you. Without you, I'm sure her problems would have been more complicated.
Let's thank God.
Now, my children, it's rather unfortunate that we've had to meet under such rather bizarre circumstances. A lot has happened. Your mother kept me in the dark. So many things have happened that I knew nothing about, just like you. But somehow, I have found a place in my heart to forgive her. And I hope both of you will do the same, because there is a lot of blessing in forgiveness. Look, I live in this house alone. The loneliness, the void that your mother has created in this house still exists. And I should just say that I wish you could move in here and live with me so that we could be one family. So you could at least heal the wound that your mother has created in my heart. I hope you give it a thought. What do you say?
I've heard all that you said. And I appreciate everything. But no. I can't move in here. Not after what my mom put me and my sister through. No. I can't even allow Mayfield to come back into this house. After all the maltreatment she went through. After all the maltreatment my mom put her through. I want Mayfield to move in with me. I want her to move into my house, where she can meet my dad. My dad I've known all these years. Bernard Johnson. I have plans of taking Mayfield back to Canada someday. No disrespect, sir.
Ashley, I think he's right. All you need to do is give him the chance to take good care of you. Just accept him as your dad and then live as a wonderful family. Besides, no one knows what Tyra will be planning next. So I think you need his protection.
Tyra? Tyra? Who the hell is Tyra? Tyra could go to hell for all I care. She can't touch my sister. She can't do anything to us. Okay? So if you don't mind, please drop this Tyra issue.
Ashley, this is your mother's house. And it belongs to you. I understand your sentiments. But I can tell you, Mayfield lived here. And I'm sure she'll be able to tell you how good a father I could be to both of you. I made a vow to your mom on her deathbed, and I am not about to go back on those words. Move in here. We can live as a family. I want you to think about it. Give it a thought.
Okay. I'll give it a second thought.
Thank you.
What relationship do you have with my husband? Come here. I am going into my room. If I should come back and find my sitting room like this, you will curse the day your mother gave birth to you.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Even if you want to kill her, go ahead and kill her.
I want you out of this house this very minute. Come on, out!
No. Please. I do not have anywhere to go to.
I bet you don't want me to repeat myself. Out!
Mayfield, why are you crying? Aren't you happy you found me?
Ashley, life took me through its ugly phases. I've lived my life in sorrows and in pains, knowing I was an abandoned child. Faith took me to my mother. comforted. But what I got was humiliation, dejection, and rejection. She threw me out of her home, not knowing I was her own child. And just when I knew I had a living mother, she died.
I'll never forgive her. Even in her grave. Hello?
They say the taste of a pudding is in the eating. So how does it feel to be on a wheelchair?
Bastard! How did you get my number?
Small world, you know.
I swear on my mom's grave, I'll sue you.
You know all fingers are not equal. A maid will forever be a slave. What can a maid like you, a servant like you do to me? You dishonored me.
You don't deserve to be honored. Not even if my life depended on it.
Your grave is just a step away from you.
You're already standing on your grave. Let's see who laughs last, lunatic.
Mayfair. Guess what? I got you your visa, so you're going to Canada.
It's a lie.
So later on during the day, we're going to take you so you can get your hair done, pedicure, manicure, girl stuff.
Mayfair.
My princess.
You were my favorite maiden, but yet you stabbed me so deep in the heart. Okay, you're here. Good. You've torn through me and ripped my heart apart. I pray my wounds heal and heal faster. But if they don't, the vengeance of a woman is like a burning bush. It takes everything in its path, including the innocent. I'll see you when I see you.
I am a princess with a difference. My name is Tyra. This is my world. Epitome of the beauty that beholds Africa. Picture of African culture and customs. Kumawood Kingdom, where I come from, is a land filled with milk and honey. A place richly blessed with God's creation, where you find the hills, where you find the valleys, a true work of nature. Kumawood Kingdom, where I come from, is a land filled with milk and honey.
Father,
daughter. What is the matter?
The look on your face tells me you have a heavy heart. And that warm, royal smile that brings a princess to her father is gone. What brings you sorrow?
I've been stabbed so deeply in my heart.
Water your heart and calm down, for the rhythm of your words strain my ears. Now be more explicit and tell me what troubles your heart.
The one betrothed to be my husband has torn my heart apart. He's left me to lick my wounds. Father, when a royal prince betrays his royal princess for her maid, then royalty and custom is no longer of value. Father, I have been humiliated.
No, not my princess, not my custom, not my royalty. I shall send for him at once.
No, Father, I do not want him anymore. I shall appreciate a man of royalty with respect for custom and tradition. Father, he lacks these qualities. I pray my wounds heal and heal fast. I do not want no evil.
No, you don't have to do that. Now, sit down. Let me give you some words of advice.
I have advised myself already. I'll leave for the city at once.
Come to me, my daughter.